Hello! I've got a bunch of these plastic empty water bottles that I need to use up. Some I'm going to use for gardening projects later on in the year, but one of them today is going to get used to make a bird feeder. The first job is to get this label off, so let's just use a knife like so, peel it off. Now, using a pair of scissors, I'm going to attempt to make a small hole in the bottom here. There you go, that'll do for now. I'm going to spin the bottle around and do the same on the other side. And there we go. Now I need to cut a feeding hole or a feeding entrance for the birds, so I'm going to kind of like make a bit of a doorway there. Alright, let's get to that. There you go. Valerie Singleton would be impressed, I reckon. I forgot to mention that I cut that kind of doorway shape above the hole, because the hole is where we're going to thread a bamboo cane through the entire bottle there, coming out the other side. It's going to be the perch for the birds to perch on. Okay, spin the bottle around and again cut out another feeding hole or feeding entrance. There you go. I'm happy with that. Hopefully the birds will be too. Alright, the next step in the process is to push that bamboo cane through those two holes that we created earlier on. I got this just from the garden, cut it down to size, and yeah, let's get to that right now. There's the super duper bird feeder made from plastic bottle. We've got the perch running through the bottom there, feeding holes. I'm going to empty these 2 packs of bird seed into the bottom tray there, and hopefully the birds will come. It may take them a day or two to get used to this bottle, but I'm sure once they see the seed, they'll be into it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little build project. It might be something you want to attempt in the winter months. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me if you have. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next video, bye for now.